Not be easy grace. I know I be. I not be all those where you play the outdoor, use less saga there later you turn there to puppy. No, look me where. I go marua. I say where day and night. He was say where. Physical, spiritually say where. They need Jesus. He was say where. Mommy love, you look more beautiful and you are also hard weight. It's very good. Yeah, added weight. Oh, yeah. Imagine where it's an enemy fasting. You add weight. Oh, enjoyment in here back bon. Oh, VJ. Iri no. When I was not born in Ezio, da you do. Undala with you. More bad news to do. Muye. A jet boy. No. Missy blood. You not be on when you more bad news in here. What bell? If I bought fiacole lueko bete, yo no mama. Let's continue where we stop, lovely people, because I won't leave anything untouched. I will debunk everything. Thank you, my lady.
I don't post. I know how many videos I do for school today. I don't post. I know how many information of things that I have. I don't post. I don't post. But I record them, I have them. So I assuming I decide to the post video una never ever see say Monica post. You know go talk say, yeah, can Monica better video ni ya gwebe. I no post. So it's possible. Una when not they do live video. Not be all video where we post today, now we do today. If you like, you never.
He said that video when I do 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. He said I do and down. And that video I did it yesterday or day first. When did I even talk about that? The idiot. I think it was yesterday or day first. I can't remember. Let me check. He said, nah, I not be the way I do down. Can you imagine? Maybe with the list where I look for the video.
We really do one for TikTok, but we no release them. We record and put for Snapchat. We no release them. If you not release them, nobody go see. It's private for you. But anytime you reach there, you release anyone. It's fresh.
He said, I talk and say Eko better and a big liar. I am happy. If not only this confirmation, the clearance why they give on the confirmation, if not only this one, I'm okay, I'm satisfied. For you people knowing that she's a chronic liar, that is what I actually want. That is what I want. Just to shame her, debunk her lie, give her shame and disgrace for the lie, big lie where she throw away for streets. That is my satisfaction. And I'm happy you guys know that she's a chronic liar. I'm so happy to see my beautiful sister. No mind I go better. Oh, thank you so much, sister. Bless you. SMOTA. God bless you. More listening to her, my lovely people.
So don't post for us. Somebody like me, I can never believe, because me, I have a lot that I do that I don't post.
He said, make I not post.
If there are some,
make I call life, which I'll be doing this morning. This is the 5th video I'm doing today. Oh, they kiri go just get freedom. If not so freedom, they kiri. Everybody for life, they go the kiri now. Everybody for prefer the kiri level, you know. Kiri, I don't eat jollof rice. For my previous video, I can't end the video. I can't go cook yam. I can't chop yam and owo. Negbe oho if you see owo. Oh, ye all thick. Emi yagba. Na call vai. Me yi vene. Ina okay. Let me come live video. Na muwebe dinyi. Ina sami kebe. Ve negbe ageya viye na. Ina sami kebe. Ina huge. Ina gele mamay nuwaban. Imaya wata. Na okay niwe video. Ah, my people. Oh my goodness. Salama, good evening. I greet every one of you. Sharon, good evening. Everybody knows say she dey lie. Oh, that is my satisfaction. I remember that they confirm. What are they confirm for comment section? That is what I just want to know. That is what I just want the whole world to know about this dirty pig where they swim for mud on a daily basis. All just to feed and obey where she carry people for herself. That's what I want. Nothing more. Let's listen.
The records sont done because of maybe if I show some kind of thing, you can't they lie because I not show you how it begin. Iya viare. Iwane ya no bon ya post in the day so. But I know video, I know post on the day where I don't. But I get proof of everything where they do.
You go they lie. Imagine best way go they lie with confidence. You all know your conscience, you know that you are lying. And you'll be lying the lie with confidence. How do you classify such a person? That kind of person, that kind of person now wicked soul. Your conscience not go blink, you say, hey, now lie you they lie. Or may they even say for your face you they lie. You just use strong face, they lie with confidence. Feed people with lie because she see her useless follower finish now. A gullible, adulterous followers. She see they finish. She has no regard for them. How can you be feeding people with lies? I know it.
Needed for when it's needed to be used. So, Mugu Goat, if you post any video, Monica, the madam of Edo Cyberspace.
Who dash monkey banana? Who dash monkey madam of Edo Cyberspace? Where better people they easy or better they better people when they say their content they make sense. Now they buy view, till they impress. Now you are adulterous, lesbobo and lalue. Now be madam of Edo Cyberspace. You use your mouth to buy fish for your soup. Be good. No worry about bon. So guys, see the video she said I did. He said I do and down for a long time. This video I did it exactly the minutes, the seconds I did it. I did it downstairs. I'm coming. Let me show you guys the video. I did it downstairs. I don't pass her. Let me go back. Down of my house. After climb staircase, come down now and do this video. I think it's yesterday or day first today. I did it. The moment I did it, I posted it. Okay, see the video. 2 days ago, the day before yesterday, see the video. Down of my house. The video when I first do yesterday, I show now.
I don't see what
down of my house now, one.
Since you post me for Facebook, wahala no day. So as my case is
now this mumu echo better. I hear yoga. Can't because the place echo. Now so downstairs the echo. Even though if you they make call, now say the echo. Now she can't calculate, put one or two together, pashi as nonsense, senseless sense together. To say a J boy bastard the fool. They kiri. Because not be my enemy. Amen. No keke sono awa he said Jeba the only son or who ye ran or another prisoner na swabeye ejebo na fian wu do you know be kanje na gbejebo you we ran ejebo ma survive ye ofian wu we ba Monica wa in the news. It don't why soon we can not hear well at Jebo we wake out. It don't why soon. That was the story. Because not me. Okay. Eko better na lego by you. Anything you want, mom, anything you wish mommy love back to you. Amen. When I be the returner back to Rama and a household. God bless you, Sister Blessing. When I be the returner, that evil wish. Back to a better head. Back to her useless missy blood children where she carry give obewe. Back to her and her children and obewe all together put together. When I help me the returner. The call amanyau ayawese according to the music when I play just now. Amanyau egele yawese okbole mwelele. Amanyau ayawese awa. Mommy love, you forget that it's how she also labeled Kate that time. Kate also came out to debunk it and show her legs too. Actually, it's like too much. This girl not well. Housemate, my beautiful lady. Again, she de sick oh. Egbemara I pop him go chain now before he enter street for Belfast. Again, she's mentally not okay. It's not when I talk this thing. I don't believe. Or till one day she go enter street, craze enter streets. Open a 7 color riot in she put for grant. They craze, they go now go no say Gbemara. Not this everybody will wear cloth, nine normal. No. They will listen, my lovely people.
Show us your Spain documents.
Which we have done.
Prove me a liar.
You see, I should prove her a liar, which I've already proved. Please, if you didn't watch part 2, go and watch. If you have not watched part 1, go and watch. Since this morning, I've been doing video. Since 10:30 a.m. this morning. Go and watch them. I have proved you a liar, Ikobete. And the shame enter you, Wortoworto, where you roar. The one where you can come and come do later. Now tomorrow I go analyze that one. I will not leave any of your talk untouched. Oh, where you roar, you looking so confused. Because why? You go and not be you a be before uncle. What you be think? Say I go let her slide. I go lock up for your life to go everywhere. Make gullible, senseless people carry and believe. Like really, not be person like me. If I do on top of pennies, I go quick me pull for up. My people. Baby. My people. Hey, how not there? Sit down on top. Baby, harder, baby. You go quick me say, my people. Yes, so now me, mommy love. Not me. I did my house. I just sit down on top for a kia. Okay, me no niki. Me we ya zola kan. Ugbe where are we make wun? Ah, me na where are wun? Me khon we ati ya zola kan. Me khon we ati we mi o like be we. Wo me khon we am o re ba. I wan get sly. Where are we me? Awo ma we ma bege la wona she wun. Wa gbe right there. Eko bete wa bo ofia kule li joue. No re imiren. You can lie on others, they will let it slide. Not me. Itamawe, they carry and say, me anu we kya keve ya we. People, see me, see where they baby Ada. Oh yeah, that spot, yeah. Baby. I go with the cup view as baby self. I don't even know when because they carry and yet better me. Before I would say, instead of my people, I say, baby, baby Ada. Yeah. Okay, we are debunking where. If like they come from better person, may ignore me when they kekebo when oh bell then bell nya ona. Actually you know we do bolo no go na gbera. Me overlook. E mon egbe ofa me overlook me we no zua de gbe ya. Your hoy. My people may we listen o jare. Okay,
But next time, when information tell me where no. Life shut me up by doing daily activity.
Make I shut you up, which I'm done. Try last week. Shame go to cash you. Oh God. Mommy love is the list of person where you go call for challenge or lie on where you go feel say you go scot-free. I'm the least. You can't go scot-free. Amen. Wow. No, not be my type. No. We may succeed me when it comes to problem. Am I bio? No matter how you be. La megbe we. Ya mwe bog boy. Woge no tana. Ya mwe bog boy. Oh, wa there is a ya load there nyawe. Wa vi iyela, wa vi ologo wa vi gbe vi mula wa woge no tana. Ologo wa ha suko woro we. Wa we age. Uketa ona utase.
Hello.
Your mates don't upgrade. No, you see they fool yourself because you want feed the bewe. Kowari digbo no bewe wa le bisine guy bisin wa le no bewe. All to the food when they cook give my lovely household. See on a boevier, you are jealous. All to food. My mansion, you are jealous. Everything you are jealous. Who know why it's jealous? Where you want to start from? You be to bear with or put together. No, not reach the finger where I say press ground. No, not reach. Okay, single mother negbe or single mother the way they try. We got level. It got time for level. Ah, Deva wa jealousy gbewagbon.
Yeah, food the yawo. If you like you dey side room there, you feed the cook food, you don't concern me. But show me your Spain document live and direct on camera.
Not be only documents. See, in full. Part 2 video. Passport way ekobete. Where ekobete and obey when not give their children. Now me, I give my children woto. Single mother. Single mother carry grace. Some carry grace, oh Jerry. We all single mother, yeah. Some carry grace. They run things. They do things. They do well. They make him pass. Big time. You get grace? Me where carry loads. Single mother where carry children responsibility. Echo better. You will claim so you get a weird voice. I fresh past you. I young past you. I senior you by far. That's for sure. You know that, right? I fresh and I look sweet past you. After 4 lovely, beautiful, adorable children. I young past you. See, no filter. This is my face. No makeup. Apart from the lipstick in my mouth. No makeup. This is my tattoo eyebrow. Beautiful. No pimple. No wrinkle. No spots. No 100 color in the body. Go and get a life. Egbe ma oho. E on egbe oho ukpa ya on. Ono egbe oho me ukpa ya on. Egbe ma oho. You make peace. You are peaceless. Go and get a life. I keep on telling you. Go and get a life. Egba na mi lai. On egbe oho. Ami o egbe na. Weye gaga. Wow gaga. Oyo ha. Wa ogbe 40 years. Ma ekwe gbabo. 50 years. Eje. Egbe oho me. The evidence, it not show. It not show. Wow, you're right there.
A life you get pre-life.
You know what she talk? He said life, not the leprosy pre-life. Thank God you know that. Coming person that does not have documents. Okay. He said pre-life, not the life, not the pre-life. Thank God you know that. What's it be time? 1 minute to 11. I'm in my bedroom. Maybe 12:30, I'll go and take my night shower. Or I go outside, go lay course on you first before I come bath. Yes. Go 8 junction. Close to the back of my house here. Go lay course on you. Go break head for your head. After I do that and finish, I'll come inside as bath. I'll sleep. No, I'm not going to sleep. I go do video again. The midnight. Do one, drop and there. When they break, people will watch it. Oh, no, Tana. When later I go call home, places. Yeah, I'm a bug boy. Yeah, where? Yeah, I'm a bug boy. Benuketa. Oh, Benuketa. 10 years on live video. Oh. Now you the valor for people body. Oh, valor ye regbe. Omagu we ban. You don't want no boy. Maya winner. Mango no bewe ya gwali winner. There 2 hours no si se gbe roe oye jege. Orion roe. I wait 2 hours. Atol na be winch. Atol na bad. Ew. Wa gwalo ge no avaye emegbe wa toto we hen gbogbe ta gbogbe rai so egbe. Wa gwale no amoge yo egbe nu ya fido bewe no mu yo wa. I send you message. Ige won wa. We me mo boy we yo wa. Because I make bo ma se no fivu. I ko bete. I make bo ma se no fivu. We me mo bewe yo wa. Wo wi bia makpo. Ah. Bia makpo. Egbo boy egbo bewe no we mu yo wa po. Abe sikila mi yan fun e. Be me mo egbe ni. Okay? If you see my ass, you know the kind me when I they like, where they enter my eye. Make him where asikan. Oh, who na who jige. No, him bunny. Why we who the agbon? We are mwekia we mwekia. Kia no we ha or you got room we got neru neck man do your we memwe bunny. Okay.
Show us your daily activities. Like when you want to show your children that time. We were going shopping, cleaning them up. Every day we were seeing it. The day you show them, we see everything where you they buy at that time for their body. That is reality. Can you show us like that everyday activity? Live like normal.
No, the question is, he said live like normal. So people must come and live their life on social media before you know that they are living their life. You think everybody their life start and end on social media like you? I don't understand. Why do you want me on social media? Are you feeling lonely? Because everybody don't want to leave you. What so you dey find one who you want to saga with? I am not interested, my dear. I have even who I dey work. Okay? Professionally, I dey work and I can't joke with it. So I know when you call social media 10 years ago, I send you message. So why are you not inviting me to come? They say I know you go call that they don't want to reject you, say your face look familiar, but you don't know where for know you again. Watch that video, eh? You know, I always have no belly for a second. I say, we love it. You're not he said, but if I said this woman, I don't know about her face. Look familiar. I'm not gay. You know where? But you know what? You know where? You're not characteristic. Now the phone where you update live video, then now they get interest. But you see, like now not get interest. Sometimes you get what you go watch, or you get you go even remember. Even you as a live video presenter, it gets some kind of things where you go remember when you talk. Only you want. You don't do the video finish. Only you want go they laugh. Oh my days! Oh my God! He say, let's say. I don't know this woman where they talk so, but let's say face look familiar. Let me just present her with the character. I swear to God. When I wear the viewers, even me, I watch some video, but not be all this kind of about space. No, I don't have the time. I don't watch anyone anymore. It gets bloggers when they watch. You know, that really makes sense. Okay, but when I you know, gay. Cha. That guy is something else. That one, I think about that one. He say, this woman where they talk so, it be like say, I don't know him, but his face be look familiar. No, I beg, I beg, presenter, no. We cure a lot of depression for streets. No, we cure a lot of depression. I swear down. Imagine you hear that kind of word. Maybe you be person who say, you not be smile, you not be happy, you not be laugh. You go, but you don't know you take boss laugh. That's just the truth. You go laugh away your sorrow. Oh my God. Echo better, I did now where, but this like when you laugh my body, if not, I for not marry you. Because live video is not my thing anymore. I have better things doing. Must I come and announce myself? Must I make noise about my life positively? Positive things in my life? Must I make noise? Who I won't give my personal information? What for? Who they out there? Who they help? When I want to announce myself, I don't do that. Now you when you go come with your bad head, you come they make me they show some kind of things. But normally it's not my thing. Okay? It's not really my thing. It's not in my character. But because you be done, when you go they lie for people body, you best no go get choice than to debunk and show evidence and shame you with it and shut you up with it. That's it. Aside of that, when you concern me where they say, I don't understand. Since then when I dare SARS, I don't know if that social media they exist. Nobody even, maybe probably some people never remember say mommy love even exists anymore. That is what it is. Once you go off, chapter close. So why would I bother myself and come and be who am I impress? What for? Who the person be? What did the person represent? Who am I impress on social media? You know they. I mean they talk on. You know they. Everybody they live their life. That's how I see it. Every aboki with their own kento. Every aboki with their own kento. I don't need to impress nobody. But when you come with lies, I have no option that to debunk your lies with evidence. Always and all the time. That's how I've been doing it. Ekobete, go and get a life. You were Ijenagima. Wow, from head to toe. Go and get a life. Even ya baswa eve junction. Ya more ya mag biya. Ya upgraded biya ya will not get a matter, not get important with life. To better their life, to improve themselves, to grow, to succeed, to progress. One euro, mezuga bet dollar, $1 will not make no different. Not be all those fake life where they showcase. Come off it. Face reality and go get a life. Go get a life. Because I not send your papa, my who when not do when you yoko no where. Okay. Go and get a life. If you are expecting you can drag me to your month, you lie. I just want to debunk you and that's it. I'll tell you, to hell. Go to hell and burn to ashes. I'll dump you from where that pit, that potopoto where you belong. I'll don't leave you there. Walk away. You bomoni baswai. Just want to debunk your lies and that's it. Anything other than that, you go a because you're not rich. If I check my level, check my lifestyle, check everything about me, check how far God has taken me, I can't stoop so low to come and be your saga partner. You the Chris. You know they look face. I be your mate. I be your mate. Huh? Continue to depress over my mansion. Is your cup of tea. Continue to you are tormented. Continue to be tormented over my progress. You have that to deal with. It's not my business. Cannot send you message. My life not be your life. Your life not be my own. I don't know why you will be crying over my progress. Go get a life. Okay? People are building up themselves. They are upgrading and doing stuff for themselves. You are there shouting money tonight. 10 video a day, 7 video a day just to meet up. At the end of the month, so that the money go reach you feed igbobian. Or bury a wuyori. You know the shit. You are where or the other Latian, where when a widow. Eh? When a widow. Come on, fuck away. You be dirty. Nobody won't carry stain. Nobody won't go even want me to use your dirty stain them. Not even my humble self. God forbid. Then we continue, Jerry.
No one do saga again. Okay, my people. She don't video all those one way they do down. They tell you now. You don't video all down. You know, say you never even betray Mugu goats. He don't already the plan. Wait, you go the record. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So it be. You never even plan to quarrel with him.
Really?
He don't already know. Say.
Are you saying it from experience where I beat the nyama person where they met her before, the fake prophetess? Are you saying it out of experience or you are saying it from your own personal experience? The way I tell mama you expose you. When you can't want to do friend with me, can't they discuss your ex-friend? Me, I can't join you, can't beat her. Do I tell disgrace you when you lie, say you don't even know my number? Whereas you call me from give me to daybreak. Are you talking from of course you are talking from experience. And you see the way from your own personal experience you are talking from, and from the fake prophetess that I mamalize, break come off for your position. I can understand. And that's me. You don't step on my toes and go scot-free. Esunu. Omasunu de. Na ya bieme na moto eve. Esunu Mariana. Even ariave no de eve yesunu. Okay. Because I know they like yeye people. And they like fake people. If you come and do green snake under the green grace, I will disgrace you. I go beat you past house. That is mommy love for you. I become one of Spain. Nonsense. You're talking from experience. I got it. Continue to cry. Because I disgrace you. I don't debunk your lies. You don't come from different angles. I always they block and disgrace you with truth. Now they pay you. Wow, bell.
He go betray you. He don't the record. He know say that girl will follow and play for Nigeria. He know say he must fight her. That's why all those proof where he screenshot them down. Use all those things where he screenshot them down.
Where see I screenshot down? Money when I send go give person when he chop. I never even post all the receipt finish. Now why I not go get the screenshots? I know it not even screenshots. Now from the app where they send money, now I go there, go download that comments as any evidence. It's simple. That's where I carry my money. Send money, they do this something, not doing chopper. He got my house for Benin, pack my property, he tiffer. So what are you talking about? Do you have a problem with proof? Not be fake audio, they manipulated they for your once upon a time puppies when they want to break out of you. So what are you talking about, idiots? What are you talking about? Kobete. Atwari kia nera vako yobo. The gbawo. What are you talking about? What will list your jare?
She will use it to cover. Good life. Again, my people, let me just play this one for now.
Please, my lovely people, thumbs up the video. Don't just watch. I beg of you, thumbs up. Help me share if you are kind enough and you love truth to prevail over lie. Please share this video. Any other time you see me live, don't share. It's not important. I don't do live anymore. I don't come on live anymore. I don't care. But this very one is important for me. Let truth prevail over the lies of Ekobete. Help me share. And as you do, God will vindicate you in any matter that matters. God will put your enemies to shame. He wants your enemy will rise. They will scatter in 100-fold. Any direction they rise from, they shall scatter and end up in shame and disgrace. The way Ekobete end up in shame and disgrace for this lie which she be one put on me shall be your portion.
Say, I don't even want to play any of that. You see video of
manipulator
whatsoever where he play.
Manipulator. He said I don't even want to play any of that. You don't get nothing. No, shut up. Okay, boy. Shut up, Ekobete. No de vewa. He said to be honest, mommy love not do Ekobete anything. So what is her problem? My sister, see me oh. Now jealous you. Now jealous. She just dey smell ya in my nyash they go. Maybe she dey hear some kind things when I did do on a low key. Apart from my mansion, she's frustrated. She's pain. How can single mother be excelling like this? How can single mother be blowing like this? How can single mother they success they move mountain like this? How? Why is she doing it? What is her secret? If you want to know my secrets, fair go find out how water to enter coconut. If you can find out that mystery, then come. Let me tell you how I take the runner. But for you to just sit down, they imagine dirty, negative things for your mind. I've been a drug, I've been a ashago, I've been a this. Iwe mi no ria, iwe mi no keke. Awo aye egbe me. Ayo boy egbe me, you know. My spirit not the like am. Slow and steady. Small. God will bless the works of my hand. When I get one, it go turn to thousands from my hand. That is it. You get why? She'll be fighting all presenter, but no one answer her. She believes she do the same with you because you choose to stop live video. See me, oh, my darling Solomon. See me, oh, exactly. She'll be hunting for saga because that is what her life depend on. No, my life does not depend on it. If people don't step on my toes, I don't have no business with anybody. That's just the truth. You won't see me. When person not doing anything, I'll just carry go. No. I don't do that. Because you know why? I'm a fido a being. That's why I don't do it. But if you step on my toes, Not tell me how I'll take beat you. Because you will not go tell, you not go do me something. You can't tell me I want to cry put. Or I want to mama you put. Because I mean I not feel cry for anything. You must give me chance. Yeah, to my satisfaction. Your mama you. Irere mu your turn your give me yajero. Yeah, mu. Oh, mwewe mu your turn. Irere mu your turn. Iwa we to my satisfaction. In fact, when we go they do one, I don't remember say that they chop. Funny enough, I don't know why that thing they do me. If person me if I they beat that person, food go give me chance that season. No. Food. Me I no go send food again. Food, I no go send food. Me I when no worry any me. Carry go. That's my kind of person. That's why I know they find trouble. Because if trouble come my way, they enjoy to do the trouble where. It be like food to me. That's why I know they find trouble. Now my pa use on t-shirts. Or ma gwalowe. Be xanzaigan. If person beat you come, my papa will disown you. That's how we grow up. But not find trouble. Make person find you. Make sure. That is it. I admit on any hospital self. Yeah, does you go your hand. Oh, you wow, or mohi. But boy, your phone. That's my part of one. On your say, you because near Doria Bay. Do me, no again, ya we me. No again, me, die, fear that you know. Eh, when you high wherever, you may have go even a go biscuits. I don't get time. I no pretense. Our time noje. Cannot get one impress for ye. Okay? Bitter where use you build this page. The page and they found one dash. I guess 6 pages. They are all monetized. I not guarantee no be useless this dirty thing I want to build page. Even the page where I not do live video again. So wait I won't come use that build. No, my darling. You how they do live video again? If not be say this debunk, you not go see me here. They do live video, coming live. No, I've stopped for a long time. You know, even the page, I don't know what I want to do. But it's good like they made the dead there for me. So anytime I want to do, maybe post something, do video, something is going on, I like to share on live video, I can share. Now my property, now time I take build all these pages. Yeah, now my thing. May our progress, achievement, success continue to may your progress, achievement, success continue to torment our enemy in Jesus' name. Amen. Yeah? Amen and amen and amen. Amen. Resounding amen. A powerful amen. A resounding one. A thunderous amen to that prayer. If your blessing never they give your enemy sleepless nights, may they begin they fabricate, they kind of they fabricate. There's another word I want to use. You go come, don't begin they assume how it they make her. If you never get to that point, my sister, you never make her. My brother, you never make her. If your blessing, your success never they give your enemy, so they assume, so they fabricate because they don't know the source. If you never reach that point, you never arrive. You never arrive. Try better. Don't worry. Believe God. Small, you will get there. Not dead spirits. Not jealous anybody. It doesn't worth it. Your own are your own. The other person, the other person. My own are my own. You know, come. The last time I check. So, that's why I'm not the bother to come the show. No. If not be this, it just go carry like come put for my body. What it concern me? Where I want come the show high, way rich, high, big rich. It's not important. No. We'll not be the same father, we'll not be the same mother. So why? Are we on competition? Will they compete for something? No. So why? This is my mindset. That's why I don't bother. I don't need to make noise. Empty drum, now they make noise. Like a kobete. Okay? You can be doing trends. Anything that is trending. Talk about it. Now their view day. Now their views day. My darling former, no. I get better things. I'm sorry. I can't even see. I get better things where they do with my time. That's just the truth. No, I don't have the time. I wish I have the time. No, I don't get time. Wish I get the time for take your advice, my darling lady. When they break, I get where they go to earn my money. Cool money. You know, clean, legal money. Not be, no. No, I don't get that time. And this period, nothing next week ending, you'll not see me again. If I finish next week, I put this idiot, leave her for a poto where she for the bath. Every blessed day, they fool herself, leave her there, throw her for there, pour spit on top of her head, shit on top of her head, peace join her, we should get out. And not be her mate.
Echo. Why? Why the echo?
You say, why the echo?
Why the echo?
Why the echo? Why J-Boy resemble Papa Wella? Tell us. Tell us why J-Boy. You say, why the echo for downstairs of my house? Why J-Boy be Eru Wella carbon copy? Can you tell us? Come and tell us. Why the echo? My downstairs the echo. Get why? So come and tell us. Why be say J-Boy na Papa Wella carbon copy? You not tell us why. Now why the echo? Tell us why J-Boy be Papa Wella carbon copy. Come explain that to us. What happened? Which kind of coincidence happened? I feel where you are, feel know you, I feel care you. Now happen. Wa beo. You are both fear kun
Eh?
Me, I even think say you don't.
You don't ever see any of a video where they echo. Go and watch the one where he say he upload. Since when me can't talk and since yesterday, you now upload almost 30 things. Yeah. Yeah.
Monitoring spirit everywhere. Can you imagine? Why J-Boy look same alike with Papa Wella? We need an answer. Why the echo? Down off my house now say the echo. I don't know. Tell us why J-Boy vomit Papa Wella for grant. Tell us why. What's it happen for there? What's it play? Come and tell us. Come and tell us why Papa Wella say me you can't do DNA. If I will your own fail, in go come submit your own blood for the DNA. Tell us why Papa Wella talk like that. If he never fiki you, tell us. Man will never see woman pets go request for such thing. Say you want to do DNA for picky way no. When never do to figure the woman way born to picky. Tell us what happen. Tell us for that. Tell us what give Papa Wella goss to come on social media on a fair show to say if who your own fail, you not match with a J-Boy, he go submit you when Papa Wella never fiki you. What give her that goss? Come and tell us. Come and tell us. Where Peking go resemble Sheshege father, a well-known man. Where be say the one where you get for yourself as the awuyori, he make piano. Then Peking go resemble Sheshege father. Erodede. Adazen on my CSC. Domosa, Eruwela. What do you hoy? Come and tell us. Tell us what he play. No devil war. Yeah, I tell you why my downstairs the echo. Why not go echo? You know how many this thing carry? Why not go echo? It concern you. Or can we are? No bell agbon. Your little man, I make you calculate say a J-Boy wuyegan. No bell. I hear gan. Has arrest given no. A chain reach where they in here. No soon will not get bue. Why we damage control? Oge vek buenia. Why go like no bile bigola. Egbae. Shema disgrace no wala we be woto. Wa deva wa. Egbona mi. E mama danu mama. Da ya da ko egbe wa na sun. Igyo wa na sun. Wa sun. Nonsense. Oh, Iyon. My beautiful lady, bless you. All right, sight you from afar. How are you, mommy? Ah, my kiss.
Hello. Hey. The rest day you were busy. Hey. Yeah. When me your con talk yesterday, now you not come busy. Eh? Now wow.
I know they wash mumu like you, Ekobete. This morning, they come attention. And this morning, since 10:30, 12 minutes after, I never stay come attention to your nonsense lie. Now, so I take enter bedroom, bath ready. Begin to give out to you back to back. I don't wash you. If you think somebody like me will sit down and wash you, you will be the biggest joker and a foolish person. You're already foolish anyway. I can't stand. You irritate me. You irritate me. I can't stand I can't even stand looking at your ugly, useless, haggard face. I can't. Young lady, you just act guy anyhow. A woman of 15, every day they fresh, but year after year, you not go see wrinkle, you not go see pimple, you not go see anything, man. This is not filter. This is direct. Filter not there this year again. I hear and since day I don't do video, I don't do live video. Now today I confirm I say not today because I know they do live video again. But look at you. Spectacle for your face. Because no peace of mind, you are restless. A jealousy jealousy, you are you are counting people blessings, success and all, and you are whining away. You are dying slowly. Jealousy gbeye. Wow, gbeo. You my darling people. I miss you so much. I miss you too, mommy. Good evening, Favor. I greet you, darling. May we listen, lovely people.
Okay. You are right. Our video was echoing. For the sake of people that will never have time for all those their thing and say anytime mommy Monica play and we listen. Apart from Monica, me play anywhere. At least even if
presenter space. He said she go wrong. Now they find another person because you don't beat her. she don't say that wrong zoo she come. Ija. See. Me, I be lion. Lioness, you know, it's not even there. It's a no-go area. Why? How? Even though say I know they do live video again, I go see. I will not get time for saga, but when it comes to life, forget it all. I won't take that shit from any idiot. Maybe she go for another person. She gets to bear way for herself. So got digbo ne. Igbo at least igbo 3 days. Igbo no go carry 20 euro. Igbo no go carry that igbo be. And now she said that one igbo be food. Morning, afternoon, night. Igbo be and down. All the don't. All how vanish. It lego ikelebe. Umami mi numu yo wa no dollars. You no go no ya dollars ye. Since how many years? 4 years ago, iketamawe. Give that obewe a wuyore attention. No gwe no ya dole dagbon you cause oh wuriye. Okianje. Eh man look good. Oh man look healthy. Oh man look good. Huh? But now what do ataloge social media more ba who also we. Enu me mo wa ma bege no jiege ma wa. Ige ma even plus fita e ma wa. Ma mo fita diago e mo la dia. Or even plus the fit egare. That will your remove your wife when nonsense idiots.
I think viewers are fool, but it's not all viewers that are foolish. Many can
you see your viewers, your gullible adulterous followers as fools. They are actually fools. That is why you can always say anything to them to buy. You say lies, you say wrong information, you cook lies to come and present to them because they are depressed elements. They don't have life like you. They are low life. Just like you, Ekobete. That's why you say anything to them to buy. Because you look there as mumu. Yeah. I'm market now. Mommy make a gonna wear a side mommy love. Because everywhere live video. Really? I pray. Oh, come and I pray. You be on my be out you say you're doing you go scot free. No. Who go scot free, my dear? Ye ni buena disgrace we na debunking we na. Ya iwe ya mwe bog bue. Ya iwe to wa places different places ya mwe bog bue o genuta. Ya we. I poste iwe wa oya. O wa ro me phone ze. I have the beer, not your insurance. Oh, I run a phone. But yeah, I'm a bug boy.
Because you are whole way, I mean, no friend, but not be all of them. Then no guy no say a viewers is so they're not foolish, they're not be as well.
You take your own as
Yeah?
well.
Okay.
You take them as fools.
Listen to this. Do I even need to put an evil, ex-convict, criminal, drug pusher face on my wall? No.
Lolo say, he say you and Igbobian, Awuyori, not be ex-convicts. Why? Be say the dirtiness way for day your life, you like to put it on other people through your lying tongue. It not go work. It not go work. It not go work. Mwese wezo. Mwese wenuzo. Mbeo wagbon. Amanya wa ya wese. I bet my people make una help me.
Mother Desperado. Desperado, Desperado, I want to build a better house. A better house now. Take a easy near your better wedge. 9 year with gravy.
Eko better. Where said they? Who do not be candy walk and bue? Oh, we are fear woo. Not but my woo, not but my toe. Oh, we are soon where we are fear woo. Where said they? When is your fear woo? You go your head away fear woo. Okay? Wa mu me woo. Okay? Oh, we are mu me woo. Wuni me ate woo. Oh, we are woo. Ugu do your rag bue. Bono ya okwe mu boga senwe sene iwe ugu da wa wu sorrowful one, bitter one, shameful one wu. Okay, ugu doroga buwe ko beteri hai ya all senwe. Okay, one nu banwe demoro to a live video. I mean, out of all the presenters, you don't see the one we don't do live video for. You know how many times you don't for? It's a sign. One day, the time go reach. Okay, the time go reach. Now one day, monkey go market, no go return. Now it go be for you. Can't fear who. Whether if fear who do total a live video, he do analyze it who done who. Ema ya no egbe kan. Carry popping no hostage. No ni amumulelewe. Inye do analyze it who done who. Yo hiyan genwe. Okay.
Take it because of that. You don't betray your word, your own brother, sister, everybody.
You lie. Okay. Kinebo, I would say I call that lady with the UK. Kinebo, if I'm not mistaken. Kinebo, now they call him. I would say I call him again. Many people where you don't betray. You are the betrayer here. You are the evil here. Okay? You are the evil here. All right? You are a betrayer. Everybody where they poppy follow you when they say they don't do again. The other one, mama na mama, we say they call her. Only much strong enough so that they come back to you. Ugbe ya to you. Una so akpoju, una so value yengbe because friendship na by force. Nuri your hair. They don't do you anything. Out of jealousy. Out of jealousy. I've been a Meg, precious Meg. How many of their feet counts? How many? The ones where you never be so far. All those ones see they pretend follow you. The moment they will say they can't pretend again. Ujogi ya destroy reputation here. When you go say me, you see that fake prophetess where they worry. Na ema te ya gbe. Igwa yo ge gboma. Ema te wa ya zanzan as a betrayer that she is. As evil pretender that she is. Because I hurt her. When she go get problem, she not husband way follow her they worry there, she not go call her. Na me way they file abroad, she go call for money matter. Oh my sister, my blood. Give me so money. I'm in detention. I'm in prison. They said the people I dupe, I must return so amount before they will pay me. Ina zero. Because of the heart. Okay, I better. There is a but me talking to you now, I feel is needed. At the other hand, I feel you know water. Okay? I feel you don't want it. But I'll just dedicate few days to put you in your place. As shame and disgrace envelop you so. That is exactly what I want. As shame and disgrace. Shame and disgrace. That's what I've done to you. I'll not be all that so you go lie for their body, they go keep quiet. Who you be? When my own me, I almost jamon sono. I only again. There is who my bon with him. Wa bell, my boss right there. See where she they talk, where she not know tomorrow. Her heart is so evil. Yes, my darling, glory. Her heart is so evil, my lady. Jealousy. Because you guys realize that before she talk any small thing, now my mansion. I don't know what she see for the right from the foundation of that mansion. She has been jealous. Now that foundation of that mansion make her go claim Percy guest house hotel. I just lay foundation that time. Then she go Nigeria go claim Percy what do you call her? Not be hotel. Percy guest house. She call her hotel uncompleted for that matter. They never even plaster. Abandoned project where they abandoned for over 10 years. She go they claim her because of fake life, because of mommy love. She want to do competition. Where you want to start from? Single mother where they run things, go and where you want to start from? We are because now Sarah saw any. I'm not in competition with anybody. I don't know why you're competing with me. Do I know you before? Why you they do competition with me? Can you? You can't. Because no badness. Wait till I. What case when? We thought this was fake like the package put for people face. Just to feel relevant. You dey crazy? I don't need to pull my success for people face to feel relevant, no? I know I am relevant. I don't need to seek relevancy from people to feel okay. It's because you don't have it. You will not be okay. Deep down, you know you are not okay. That's why you are trying to get relevancy from people. If you are okay, you know deep down you are satisfied with yourself, with what God has blessed you with. What's it concern? You concern irrelevant, seeking relevance from people. What for? What for? Do I need it? I don't need it. Nonsense. Grace go thief children. This Grace not show when she dey labor. Oh, that not leave me. He said not show which labor. Now I go any labor. Have them on arrest. People where she scam money. Now she do surrogacy. Bon, give me make I buy. Have them on arrest or jare. Na gbera ba ni ne. Yet talene.
It's people that help you. You betray all of them. At the end of the day, you betray your children by carrying drug. You betray your children for Nigeria.
You say I betray my children when I take go carry drug. I dey carry drug. I dey send my bed. Yeah, we bana ya kwa kota inyahara. Yeah, come over here. Enjoy the comfort of my bed. No asoguwa. No imagine evil in your mind towards your head. Where go happen to J-boy the bastard the fool? Because you know guy awa. Imo gaibo inye dan ini no ri eni no keke be dagbo me inye no ma eina and inye no ma hia na hiarin inye no ma inye si nyogogo inya fiagbe inya lago dao inye se uwa inye uhwegbe no ma inye ogogo na gogo ifobo wa me ni Jesu eko better. Do you hear that? That is my portion. That is the covenant I have with my God. No, I have nothing to do with negativity in my life. I have nothing attached to the negativity in my life. Positivity all the way. Forward ever, backward never. Okay?
where don't they son? If you say you are not dead, you are alive, say prison, and will not buy you. He not buy you not pay your mouth. How come? You are a better house in Nigeria. You are not sure of that. They say in the next moment you open up. Wait till come make grass don't grow. Now why are you not working there? Why did you vanish on? Why did you vanish on?
Yeah. This guy won't let the yam on the one when I eat. I'm not get that jest. See frustration. Now that Marshall, they did her cry. No, it's not 2 ways about it. Now that Marshall. Let's enter my CCTV camera again. Let's check out my Marshall, guys. At Egbeta, like she said. Let's enter into my Marshall. Let's check out. Let's see how the compound is doing, guys. If this network where they vanish from my phone go allow. Let's enter into my Marshall. I see my copper right from where I am. Let's go. Let's click it. Let's go into my compound. Let's see how the compound is doing. It's nice. Let's see if it's dark, it's bright, how it's doing. Is it sunny at this time? Is it rainy? How is the compound doing? Let's take a look, guys. Oh, everywhere is so bright. Lights everywhere. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let me turn. Let me remote. Let me turn. Let's check the compound, how my mansion is doing right this evening. Now this one, they paid off for body. Security man, you don't sleep. I want to talk to my security man. Security man, okay? Hold on, guys. May I first turn that first? Go the security post. I want to shout my security man whether he does sleep. He don't sleep. Oh. Wait, guys, I'm turning it, okay? I'm rotating. See what I'm doing? Now this man show what bev. You may not report I cut. Oh, who knows who? Mommy love you not God. Oh, what is it? Is your dead day? Oh God. Oh, where he guy? Oh, what may him? Amazing, my sister. Well, okay, me la. Amazing, me. Oh, your bow. Oh, what baby? No son, no be. Oh, babe. Yeah, when no said no, when any la wuyo nuro. Many are bitani ejeme. And that's walking where the moon. Yeah, I don't understand. I want to take a stroll around my copper though, Jerry. What's going on here? Oh, let me go out and go in again. Security man, you don't sleep. Let's have a check. I'm coming. I go put the volume just and go hear the breeze where the breeze for us. Okay? I got better. Everywhere is so bright in my compound. Oh wow! Look at everywhere, light everywhere. Look at my mansion. Let's take it up. Let's take it up. Let's take it up. See my compound. Let's take it up. I got better. See my mansion. Oh my days! Everywhere is so bright in at night. Wow! Lovely. Look at it. Can you see that? Look at my compound. Light everywhere. It's so brighting. It's so brighting, man. Look at the upstairs. That's my balcony. Let's take it down a bit. Let's take it. If I don't, let's take it down. We are taking a walk, taking a stroll around the compound. Let's take it down. Let's take it down. Oh wow. Okay. Look at the ground. Okay, in the compound. Let's take it up again. That's the downstairs, the staircase downstairs. Are you seeing the mansion? Oh my days, it's so beautiful. It's so you got one, you know. I just press speak. I want to talk to my security man, okay? May I see whether he does sleep. Security man, you don't sleep? Hello? We'll see whether he will talk. Or may I remove the speaker. As I talk, so the whole streets, my voice go loud, the way I talk, so. Echo betutu. Oh God, mommy love, mommy love, clap, cha cha cha. Mommy love, clap. A hand of applause for Oholuki. Ba, 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 ba. Myself. A copy when I tell me your boss eh. Oh no. And that's the yes. Oh no, baby, sorry. Oh God. Oh, what is he? Oh, him. A single mother no enegbe. A single mother no yeah. Where they try. Ọmọ le train mo ona enegbe ona emo ya uyoto ona egbe ya uyoto ona secure future yoto nemo o gbogbo ni se ewe ro na menwa anwe boto water on chest to mansion owner, a street owner in Lagos, United States of Lagos, Nigeria. Oh yeah, cheers. It's spiritual and this is a wine. Oh, here does it. I does all nice yes. Oh, what walking J. Kada, mommy love. Eregwe, mommy love. I does all he. Oh, he. Uyagbe. Umetigbe. Eko betutu. CCTV camera. Let's go to the back. This one a front camera. Let's go to the back camera. I will log us here. Let's go to the back. Let's see how the back side is doing. I go to the back. You see that? Technology worker. Egboho. Alewa egboho guy. Alewa. Oh, egboho. Ha. Oh no yeah. Who they carry father they don't release I don't think so. Who be that? He say, okay, they reply herself, Bobby love you be big woman, oh. And my sister, we give God all the glory. I can never take the praise, never. Cause God they run now, my sister. Now God, I can't take the praise at all. Now God I depend on. Now God I trust on. 100%, okay? Now God, my sister, not be me at all. God, they use me do one. Not easy. Okay? Wait, may I show now? Okay. This is my backyard. My backyard. The camera go the video reach other people backyard. See my backyard. You see, huh? Let's log out. This backyard, the video my back go enter even the street for back. And come and see, we beg ya go on, you shut the fuck up. You are. Let's go to Port Harcourt. As we speak, let's visit Port Harcourt. That is Lagos State, you know? The one she call Egbeta. Egbeta in Lagos State, Nigeria United. Jealousy, echo better jealousy, jealousy. You know if it be single mother like me make you meet up, echo better, that's just the truth. In all ramification. You know if it train you the way I did. You can't progress the way I did. So shut up. Don't talk to me. I'm not your mate. Okay? The earlier you realize that, the better for you. You know, that's why you are crying on my neck. You already know that I am not your mate nor your level. That is why you are crying on my neck. That's why you are depressing day and night. I am not your mate. Begin to assume and calculate how she take the maker. How she take the maker. Go and find out how water enter coconut first. Then you can be able to realize how I take the maker from my life. Okay? First of all, go and find out how water enter coconut. Go and find out that first. Stop assuming with your dirty mind. She go carry panda. Go and get a life. I'm not your problem. Okay, she don't know what it be powder. She think say nah, that's one way she dey rub for face for social media. Police go catch person with powder, and the person go they laugh and happy like this. Bobby love, see me oh my sister, see me oh my darling sister. Egbe woman dana get ko bete. Egbe wome. Wawe. Wagume moyeru no gugbe yegbo. Wagume moyeru no fia wuni man. The dad doge ave PC. I don't know one presenter way talk. I see my wune social media ave PC. Also, which presenter been on a dead journey? He say if your company never buy. He say social media don't get peace. I beg. People see focus on their life. They do their thing. She not see get peace. They find what she want drag. Make she come make saga mates. I be your mate. I not be your mate. I beg. Shift. You want now. This is better be your problem. You are who? I'm my way. Well, this is you. My way do I wear about here? I wet by. Hein? Echo Petersian, Port Harcourt. Oye baou wa be so ona voyage wo eni kiri agwa ma we wa so apatesho wa okay ke na apatesho gbo a we u bege ya Port Harcourt e o ti e ma gba lai nínú ya gba oye baou Port Harcourt Abuja na do dey high na Abuja because if you name masho yen ti stay yedo we may be visited though. Me man to me man like it on a stage. So we are igualo. Eko bete. Why we so yo na e we mi o we na. On your voyage o jealousy be. On our voyage eko bete u gwa agbovo gbe. Hein? Tiens. Port Harcourt. Eko bete, wait, make I show you something. Wait. No Dave I'm not your mate. Get that and get it into your skinhead. Your empty skull for once. I can't continue to repeat myself for you. Riff-raff, like you. That will go and get a life. I know be your mate or girl. She'll get size. Go and get a life. I know what I'm talking about. You are. You think some of those yes single mother way they follow you? They use until they rate me. No, I'm different, go, okay? I'm not your regular single mother. Please. Go get a life. I'm not getting for all this your cook a book nonsense. What they can be? I don't get your time. You can't invite me into your nonsense now. What's that? Eh? What is that? What is that? Go and get a life, my friend. I want to show you one thing. No, your mind not fit carry this one. Your way to who jealousy be. Oh God, yeah, you will get na. Eh? I want to do this game matter. Me sure. Ko bete. Ko betutu. Ayo you wa. You are getting life. I don't know that your heart where they large, where doctor say they large that time. Where they go fit carry with you one show so. Oh no, no, ya fian wu. Na we make boma wa. You might take bewa there. But we are taking what is jamais. Nous we fian wu megeleje. Nous deve wa nous be onye weje. Eko bete. Ni va bo fie kun le loué. Nous o na. Hein? Ori weti mo na. We moin. Wa ori weti moin. U jealous be. Oh, heaven on earth. Ori weti moin. Eko we gbe. U gbofo gbe. Jealousy we bugbe. Eko betutu betwa. Eko betutu betwa. Eko betutu betwa. Are you seeing something? Where beg oh, segbe. I beg you, shift. Oh, sell who? Consider. Aba mo be wa yo wa mu koko lebis no maga mu gbe ohun wa no ri 20 ro no ya sigbo ha. Can't go and fuck a life and get a life, idiots. If I show you something, you are cool. You are. Ah, we nya. Tiengbe. Ni ave off. Ni le wa be free. Wa ge no sun. Wa ge no sun be boni. Wa ri yo hoy. U tell like no mona ya mo kone. Adazo ma siesi. Era okbo me. But won bewe wo wa, u me igbo bian wo wa. Una ya feel way, una gian feel way of your care, yo. Omona ido there. And you know. Mama hope you're not gonna hair. I wear match. Wow, Dave, wow, right there, go better. Wow, too. I come better, don't buy wrong market, I'm telling you. I don't, maybe she feels I shall not they do live video, okay, say, mommy love. I don't know if she they think. Me. He may think what 24 hours. He didn't mean I say. He think what if not be say, I know they do live video again. But I just want to, I'm just only debunking. Yeah, when you get a what dedicated 6 months in way. Wow, man, I lega with that down where ye mommy love. Oh man, lega. Who will have your name over where was a low boy? Get distracted, eh? The quality they are distracted, mommy love you. Also, but when ya, buari we talo. When the kaya mama ya. When also man I recover. When ya bue, ya buagbe wu dollar ojiwu. Awa when I koi. Oye na me we ma we not ba. Me come me send where. I send your papa. I not send you. Ko kweregbo ma se. Wow, your hoy. Because nobody not build upstairs for your family. Now you jealous me put. I better leave me oh. Leave me oh. There was a time when I just start with 2 flats. That was my level that time. That now the waiting I fear for that time. But even that time when I did struggle, they built 2 flats. I was like, oh God, I like upstairs. I like upstairs. I see people build us. I say, God, this is my dream. I like upstairs. I like big, mighty, gigantic house, mansions. God, easy and be. It was a lot boy. Why we me? Ya me on no way. You go. We a lot boy. You go from the bottom of my heart. I see say na me get her. I go happy, genuine happiness. But today, I mean they put 2 things, two mansion down. Yeah, iwe. For me, everything get time. That's why jealousy is a disease. Don't jealous nobody. No, if you like it, admire it, claim it to yourself that God, you will do this one for this person. You go do it for me. But today, to some decking, to a decking, they do me like say no level. There was a time, he had to chest from the beginning of my life, when I was just starting life that year. I not fit. You know, I call swing we go say 2 flats. You call ya swing. You call it can't be 2 flats ni. DJ no ma wagbon. Oh well, you know, 150 euro guerriere. Or your leg bear. Oh your man block. Oh well, you go bae. Wa worry me. Iwe o je ya. Look at the better marry no na because o ije no more succeed. Iwe do pie. Ije no rie me vedero mi. Igo no rie bae. Oh ya, ve mi no na ve yan wina. Aya be 2 flat ni. Here. I not get million where I start that 2 flats. 200,000 as of that time. 300,000. 50,000. 70,000. 30,000. Now so 2 flats they go. Before you know, I'm a boyfriend. That was my level as of that time. So everything get time. Slow and steady. Now they win the race. I'm not the desperate for my life. Desperation is not part of me. Igo mai. Awa. Igo mai. No bomek be onume. Igo mai. I don't imitate anybody. I just do my thing and live my life for me and my God. Not for no one. No one. That's me for you. Mama, show us road how you blow overnight. You see overnight. They blow overnight. That's small that shall be overnight. Oh my God. Nobody they blow overnight. So my sister, that's small. Echo better. You see I'm saying now almost the same pattern, but different. I never paint egg better on according to you. In my paint. Because I never do stand floor. This one, everything is ready. Stand floor, everything. After stand floor, then painting. So that no stain go there anywhere. Go better zuo. Yeah, way to zuo. You can't meet up. That is how you want to start. You want to compete with single mother. Single mother we know what's up. Not people what's up to carry him well. What's up of hard work, knowing the right business to do. Work hard. Plan well. What be that your negative nonsense imagination or assumption? Back to you and your J-boy, the bastard, the fool. Because illegal Ashawo comment say marry egbejo ame we do we mwe we tani me ya mwe me ya gbashawo saba no go I reject it saba go me gbashawo ima what bad yo ima ni gbe no but you get the person spirit they accept, you get the person spirit not they accept, you get what everybody get spirit where they carry. My spirit does not accept those things. Nonsense. Get another thing I want to show you. What do you know? You are fear. What do you way it to me? Cause you are too jealous, heaviness all over you. Before you talk, better. I'm masho. I'm upstairs. Upstairs don't know what we are. Cause we might be upstairs. We may start. We may a level where too flat or say a flat in another me where equipped no level. It's too flat in me. Okay, tenant no. You if not be smart, he say that the area where they too busy, and I may give baby that, and I beneath there. I thought I won't even say, I won't even sell her, but I not be person they sell property. It's not my thing. I may buy me, I may me buy me, and I say me buy when no there. Okay, if not that be come here and not send Bini. Not like to stay for Bini. No. Maybe just go there, enjoy 1 or 2, 3 days. Yes, you're out. Say, can't go to tired though. No, not like him. I can't bet too soon. Get it done away. Ayowa.
If I say I don't want to do trouble again, I don't feel they do trouble. People will say they know they do trouble again. They enter us. Their life not they go on for his house. If they go on, how come your house now not working since the day I meet you? What will happen? If you not
really not working since the day hand meet J-boy the bastard the fool. Nia gbe you wegan. Not working. This is my egg better. Which one be not working? Everything is completed. Now stand floor, painting, I remain, nothing else remain. Okay? I for show you my kitchen, but I won't show it until the day of the opening. What are you talking about? One of the rooms. What are you talking about? Which one be not working? Now screen you they see, so not be paints. Screen we never paint inside, we never paint outside. Screen this just screen now they shine so. Screen you know what it takes to screen your house? Visitor room now be this. Know what it takes? Not be where that do potato for me for window. You see the kind of window I use? Case window. You know how much? Per one, go and price. What price is no devil war. You worry about going. Let me pause it so that you see. Not be that one that they do. Una go there meet weather. Make you use what's it color? How they say color rod stay benny put potato for window. I don't do shit. When I do quality. All my quality count me out. All my luxury just count me out. I'm not interested. Wow, man, I'm a woman of taste, high taste, without being traditional. Wow, you're hoy. You are baller with me. Let me screenshot. Let me pause that window so that you see the kind of case window when I use. Not be that weather banner for me. Do one like this, do one like this. Now that type I use for my first task for a Igyobe. And that kind of window I use where that they do potato. As of that time. People still use that now. Now as their money rich. Okay. Go on. You don't see my roofing. See the roofing where I take roof the house. May I show you the receipt? How much roof is shop for that mansion? Wow, ask your new fan friend where they were fake prophetess. You know when I take do roofing. Ask her how much. Will tell you. Wow, your hoy. Oh, I be done cash around just now. Oh my God. I never pence. Stand floor, then pencil will follow. Oh, I be done cash around just now. Why now? I want to show you the window. Where the banner go here, banner go left. Banner, use and do star design. Use and do 4 corner design. No. Man, I don't fit. Wow, who? Oh, bueno. I see like good. See the window? This all go and price them. Just one. Go and price. Tinted. Go and price. No devil war. Never bola work be wagbon. He said why they not they work. Which work they want work? What it concern you? For one do stand floor, highest stand floor with painting will take me 3 weeks. If the person not fast. Highest. So what's there again? You want to see my luxurious kitchen? What I beg your kitchen? You go no 1 million no go down the kitchen. Can I live there? Do I get luxurious kitchen? Go better go and sit down. You're too foolish for my liking. Eh? Okay. Right. Which work you want work for this kind of house? Where we say everything that they intact, apart from painting. Now screed you they see for what so? Not be painting, screed. You know how much? Where is enough for money they say they do. No, I will pay you. I don't want to follow say. Nothing kwe. Say nobody you wanna manage my quality count me out. Count me the fuck out. Right? See bedroom. The camera not go down. May you see the jacuzzi. Jacuzzi so kwa. There. Jacuzzi ne gbe oho. Oh shit. Yeah. Eko bete. Okay? Now say I saw in. Okay? Ya mawe kitchen una survive. Umana ya yore hospital when ye mommy love. We mana ya yore hospital. Ni as fisosi jinwe when ye mommy love. Cause you go shock you. My quality eti measure. My luxury count me out. It better was patient way than the way Obama this idiot. Why are you measuring somebody's name? Let me block you. Why are you measuring somebody's name on my this thing? Are you okay? So I show you my kitchen, you go, my dear, because a hatty when no boloni. The daughter walk boloni, I have you ni. Oma wa man. Uma wa devewa. Ele by joke. No, I don't know you before. No, they compete. No, you can't stand me. That's the truth. Go face your life. But must I come and be your saga partner since when now? Who are you? Your ex-friend only bodo. Oh, mommy, only yes. You use success, they slap you. Bend your mouth, go less. Now you define me. Since when? When I get better thing when I do. I'll come sit down with you, say, potopoto, they say, tell me, I tell you, who did you? No, where you were. That what debunk you were, that's all. We are big boy for all I care. Because you are a nobody. The last time I check. You can never be somebody. Alright? You can never reach 1/4 of my level. Even about that. This now that those your fake level, they package, they make noise. They give your gullible adulterous followers. Anyway,
again for social media, you know one play recording where they know you for. Does that mean you not go do your ass? Waiting can't make the work of your ass stop.
Why
or you come and tell people.
Say waiting.
Waiting make the work of
I go stop. One room where me show you just now. House where they don't they live in, they find pass like that. This video where me show you right now. People house where they don't already they live in. If they pass like this. Wait till stop for your house. No bell, but wait till stop. Wait till stop. Wait till stop. Now one room I they show you so. Make I show you my parlor. No, I don't need to. I don't need to. We are kawa me queen share no way. Mandu. You're strong. You are too jealous. A progressive man boevier. They had to wear ya mafia work away. Be already shut down there on the parliament. Not up, downstairs, upstairs. Or send all the generation were put together. Zaga. Huh? They wonder you. How your fellow woman they meet up. How your fellow woman they progress. He's giving you concern. He's giving you head. He's giving you heart attack. Shame on you. Shame. Because me, I not send anybody what they do or what they don't do with their life. You not consign me. Everybody with their own. Why your progress go bother me? What for? Or more you so why will I bother about what you got or what you don't got? What you consign me? Wait till be my I not go die. Oh. Unnecessary stress you are causing yourself. Why you the wadu for people progress? Do I have any business with you? You are usual adulterous lesbobo. Do I have any business with you? Oh, come here. Who wanna help me check this matter now? I don't understand. This is not the wonder owner. Any small thing, you're upstairs, you're upstairs, you're upstairs. It's not upstairs, it's a mansion, baby. Mansion. Mansion. Okay? It's a mansion, massive one. As that, with quality materials. Kwe no de. What are you hoy? Wabola wegbe. I just tired. Me I read una comments more. Eh? Oh, this comment go up. I don't understand what is a problem with your house. My sister, bless your rule. See me, oh my darling sister. I don't know either. She's anything. She just so I don't know what she got to do with my mash. I don't have no idea. I don't know, sis. What did she see for my waiting my hands? Waiting I use my hands. God bless me with waiting I work hard to achieve. How is it this girl problem? Mona, help me ask. Monica too local. She won't be like mommy love. How? She cannot. No, she can't. Even about her. Igwa show off. Now because of the debunker, they make her know or realize something say, tie away they back no go fit meet the one way they front. No matter how I run. Let me people they show this small. If I really want to display, go better. Where she wants start from? Who God has blessed? How are you going to draw that person down? How can you curse who God has blessed? Who God has blessed the work of her hand? Who God has destined to succeed? How are you going to bring such person down? With your lying tongue? No, it can't work. Not with someone like me. It can't work. He said, no. He said, no. Oh, come here. This is not the tire una. Tire me, oh. Please, I don't understand you. Is she the contractor now? You give the job. What is the problem with your house? See me, my sister. She not be contractor. I don't know whether this woman they exist in the first place. I mean, where she go be contractor. Since 8 years, she don't ever visit Nigeria. Maybe they go Nigeria reach 4, 6, 8 times a year. So how will she be a contractor? Only me organ egg for me. Eh? The thing they tire me. This is all pure jealousy. Pure jealousy, my people. It's obvious now. She cannot reach your level at all, Vanessa, my darling. Walk somewhere. Where I come. I beg, machin. This is not it. Or not peace. They say they build that. Oh. Monica, where they carry panda by yourself. Carry panda by yourself. Ah, my lady Vanessa. Oh my God. My mind, they tell me to make I show her my kitchen. But the other mind, they say no. The one, you don't overload. You have extremely load her already. She get fragile heart. She get problem with her heart. Before you know, now she will show you wrong. This period now, you say she don't wrong. Because I beat her, disgrace her with her liner. She'll go see if they find person. Then after a year, the thing go they chop off her side body. The thing go they chop off her side mind. See, oh, mommy love progress. Oh, mommy love progress. How can single mother be progressing? How she take the do one? Single mother. She get 4 children where she they train for high institution. How she take the do one? How she take the meet up? Ah, not be Spain. Not be single mother money. They fool yourself. Now single mother money they take the do one. No. Now make your mind calculate say na emue. I pray. Hey, your boy gbele ninu gbe o agbon. Okay. Obama gbene, Obama gbera na Obama gbije ne. Oboy gugbe ne. Hein? Obama gbe ni bien ne. Oboy gugbe ne. Hein? Obo adobo gbera na gbije ne. A life in no. A life in memory. Now my life I come. Now my destiny I carry come. Now my star I carry come. Now my knowledge and blessing I carry come. Now my star I carry come. Obo adobo gbera na gbije ne. Why is that my problem? Why my wo bo magbiyan? Ije no we ha bo what to gede geva. Omo ni jebere oni koko. Ije na bo we ha. Why we no more eta who say wrong who say joma. If mama were born me, get 3 houses, 1 downstairs and 2 upstairs. So the prayer we person they pray say make I better pass my mama and my papa. The prayer when mama they pray say my children will better pass me. The same prayer mama pray say children will better pass her. Ask me there, so my children must better pass me. That is my prayer. They must go higher past. They must do everything positively past me. It's my prayer. So if my mother herself, you not travel abroad, you use trade, take build 3 houses, 2 upstairs and 1 down house, what do you expect of her daughter? What do you expect? None of my mama children will not get house. The ones now let me one day abroad from my mama children. None of them will not get house. Who not get 1, get 2. Go and ask. Who not get 1, get 2. Don't always know me 2 times. He get house for Lagos. He gets for Benin. He not come abroad. Don't always see me direct. He get her own personal house for Benin. Although she thief my money shower. But it's okay. Get her own personal house. Last born, he gets. Senior, omodion, opportunity of nodion, more wager. Or you are woohoo, eh? Oma? Not bad. Everybody got their houses. So as you may know you but why you may have Obama bima rokba. Bono muigo. Emahi. Bonomugo. Emahi. Okay. None of my simplies, they tenants. Not they. Even Iviera, any bungwa de ma. Okpa o or eva. O mama bebo yak bebo, beto nyare webo. Nyami ni ke ya wayo bow. Iviera me. Everybody dey okay. My palace bon. He just buy house for Ikeja. Big mansion. Cash. If I get 3 houses for Bini. That's my palace bon. It's little boy. This South Africa. Oh, but what's in my eye? So go and get your life. Agboya, everybody is doing well. Say see house where she dey stay. Upon cash house be like dumpster. What if dumpster again? I didn't get that. What manner? No space, nothing. I tell from your blessing, my sister. Amen, oh my darling. Amen. Huh? Why are you jealous? Not go your matter. Or say no man. And I tell my God, say, God, you bless me with 4 children. Yeah, mame. Baba, would that even because they be citizen, they were born here, not me say me cannot get a inheritance for them. I mean to say. Does me okay. I must do for them. Because my mother try for her children. Just that senior son claim everything. My mother try. We trade. He try. The year and so. And Neru no more masoma. So waiting I follow my God talk. You know the day when I did discuss my life with my God. Ureva vi guaisa. Ureva. Wegbovo meba. Ureva vi osamo bazie dagbome. Babage ni yo dagbome aje. Ureva. Huh? Ureva. The wasun vi yeah, what's no? Mo when wo ho a mo wonu